Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook black screen on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you go ahead and try to force restart your phone. So depending on your device model, force restarting the phone would be different. So you can go ahead and check it out online on how to force restart. So in some cases, or for some iPhones, all right, so what you can do is press the volume up key and then volume down, followed by pressing the side button until the Apple logo appears. Again, volume up, then volume down, then the power button until the Apple logo appears. And once that's done, open up Facebook and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your settings. And then we are going to find display. Right here, display and brightness. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, if it's set to dark, try to at least toggle on the light mode for now. Okay, just for now. And then after that, you have True Tone right here. You can go and temporarily turn this off. All right, and then open up the Facebook app and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go back. Let's find General. Tap on it. And then find the iPhone storage. Tap. Then go to find Facebook. Tap on Facebook. And then just tap on Offload App. Again, Offload App. All right. Wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, it may need you to update the app from here. If not, you can go ahead and open up your App Store, and then update the app from here. Just look for Facebook, update it, and once done, open it up, and you should be good to go. That is how you fix Facebook black screen on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.